Sugar is the root of all evil. The fact that sugar is hidden in everything now. You know, our sugar consumption since 1964 has gone up 400-fold. Not 400. You know, it's gone up because it's in everything. And then we had a massive war in the 90s on fat, which was like the worst thing to ever happen to the food pyramid, was to have this massive war on fats in general and saturated fats and you know, natural oils. And you know, we started to replace everything with processed foods and sugars, which really spike your insulin. And you know, we know now, for example, that a lot of mental and psychiatric illness has its root in blood sugar. For example, you know, we know now that Alzheimer's disease is type 3 diabetes. It's insulin resistance in the brain, right? I mean, the brain is so crack addicted to sugar that it secretes its own insulin. Right? Most even physicians think, no, the pancreas is the only place that beta cells, the islets in the pancreas is the only place that insulin's made. That's not true. The brain makes its own insulin. It is crack addicted to sugar. And when the brain wants sugar, the brain gets sugar, right? The brain's nasty. It's like a little Kim Jong-un of dictators. It just sits up there and it takes everything for itself. If it wants calcium, it'll leach it from the bones. If it wants amino acids, it'll strip it from lean muscle. And if it wants sugar, it'll activate a receptor on the back of the tongue called the RF1A2 receptor, which also provides a dopamine ding for giving it sugar. But the trick is you have to swallow, right? So in order we swallow these sweet products and it gives us a dopamine reward.